Hello everyone, and today I was going to show you what I made. I made a speech to text.
Holy want, and today I was to show you a tool. Polar you want, and today I was going to show you. What I play is a speech to text. OM.
So with that, it writes my speech, what I'm exactly saying right now, and then it writes it down in this text box, and then basically writes it, and then I got it to speak when it's done. But again, if you guys want me to show you how I did this, this was a really cool project. I really enjoyed it, but the voice to speech is just terrible. But with that, yeah, this is how I got it. It's very basic. I just made it real quick to check how I could do it, and it came out very interesting, like as you see in it right now. So like I can continuously keep talking, and it will keep getting everything I need, and then once I stop talking like this, see, it'll update, and yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this. This is a speech or text to speech or speech to text, and then they both do the same thing. And if you like, I would hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I could show you how this is done. And then we could have some fun with this later on. And yeah, so right when we're coming out, I'll play this one more time.
Holy want, and today I was to show you a tool. Polar you want, and today I was going to show you. What I play is a speech to text. OM. Old one. Older. So what that high egg whites my speed slump one exactly saying right now. And then it writes down in this text box, and then the OM. A base, and it's it, and then I know I got it to speak. When it's done a bit, and if you guys want me say I did this on a summer league project, I really enjoyed it, but detect ways to speech is just terrible. And but with that on the ISIS is how I got it is very basic idea. I just made it look like to check what I'd do it in a key now. Very interesting leak as you see are now. So like it continuously he talking, and it will keep the eye getting everything I needed once I start out like this. The CIO update and the muni of so I have enjoyed this is the start of a speech to text is the trustees should tax and a neighbor to the same thing. And that if you let it would have liked on a lifetime and subscribe, and the IDC of this is done a bomb, and then we could have some fun with this style later on, and Valley are so love me right where, now I will do it.
Yeah, guys. If you could like, comment, subscribe, and that would be great. Thanks, guys. Bye.